My stuff comes up in there. Yeah, you still don't get it.
Yeah, once I left it, it didn't show back up. I'll keep trying.
I just asked her if she could see it.
Hey, Reese,
My chat is showing no comments.
Go on to
No.
watch her
They were
for
before.
a second.
I wonder why it's
and see
doing
if
that.
the people that are
No, she
chatting-
said she didn't. Bell said my chat is showing no comments now. They were there before.
Oh, shoot.
When did they do it?
That's weird.
Yeah. Oh, mine don't show it now.
Oh my. It's a disease.
Yeah, saying Lily's is doing the same thing now.
Yeah, I checked earlier. It wasn't. I thought it was because it said it had to redo your privacy thing.
I can see your comment
Yeah, the
now.
whole chat just like reset.
Yeah, the most recent comment, but that's about it.
I can see yours.
Yeah.
Oh,
We're in what's that movie called when everybody's up in the plane for five days or something?
What?
It's like a movie. Everybody's in the plane for 6 months. They come down and that's weird.
Manifest? That's a show, isn't it?
Manifest. That's it.
Manifest or Breaking Bad? Which one are you choosing?
Oh, Breaking Bad, Joe. What do you choose?
Breaking Bad and which one?
Manifest. When they're up in the plane.
Oh, Breaking Bad 10 times.
Joe didn't like Manifest.
No?
Anybody coming in, I apologize because my comments were there. Now they're gone. But you just never know because YouTube is always acting a little cray-cray.
Put it on there. Looks like it's bad.
Hide all chat messages. No, I didn't do that. You guys, thanks for coming in. Let me see your thing, baby. I'm gonna go to the. Let's see.
Have you guys watched the clone Tyrone or something like that?
What?
No.
It's on Netflix.
Clone Tyrone?
Bro, I'm gonna get kicked off of the platform.
No.
Is it a good show?
Look it up on Netflix.
Okay. We will tonight. We just watched Violent Night.
Yeah.
Violent Night. How was that?
It's Santa Claus goes rogue.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah.
No way. How was that? Funny?
Anybody coming in?
What do you say?
What, Boogie?
No, I just asked if it's funny or what.
Yeah, it's all right. It's a kind of an action.
It's
like he actually saves.
It's kind of a little.
He used to be someone that was in like a.
It's not a spooky. It's more of a comedy spooky.
It's more of a comedy.
What's the guy's name?
Slasher basher movie.
Yeah, kind of like that.
Slasher basher.
Guys, anybody coming in? He's filling up the angel wings with the stuffing that consists of glass noodles, pork, not sausage. It's just pork that he has seasoned with the soy sauce, the fish sauce, and the oyster sauce. And he has diced up onions and garlic in the pan.
With the meat.
With the meat and the glass noodles. On the outside, in the bowl, his wings consist of
a marinade.
A marinade that is soy sauce, fish sauce. Look at the fat girls. What's up?
They look like a bunch of Novi's legs.
Hey, they look like Novi's legs. Oh my gorda.
Ask Commander if she sees it now.
Commander's probably gone. I asked her. She didn't reply.
Oh.
Bell answered though, and Bell said hers is gone.
But it should be back then,
Bell
right?
said, no. Yeah, no.
Is
yours back?
Yeah.
Just ours, but
Just ours.
That's not. We're looking for the whole thing.
Mm-mm.
It cleared it for some weird reason.
Yeah, it just cleared everything right out.
I apologize, y'all.